Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can convert a JPEG image or photo on CloudConvert into PNG file format. So let us dive into this. Okay, start by navigating to CloudConvert, log into your account, and then at the bottom, guys, you will see this option, add more files. Click into that button here, into that drop-down menu. Select from my computer, navigate to the image in JPEG file format, and you will see the input file format here, JPEG. Click into this button here, hover your mouse over image and choose PNG. And start the converting by clicking into this button. Wait for the converting to be processed by CloudConvert. And depending on the file size, and as you can see, guys, the image has been converted. You can now download it onto your device in PNG file format, as you can see, guys. Alright, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.